Lesson: Techniques for Effective Prompt Tuning. Effective prompt tuning is a critical skill in the field of artificial intelligence and machine learning, especially as professionals seek to optimize the performance of language models. The iterative development of prompts can significantly impact the accuracy and relevance of model outputs, allowing for more precise and beneficial results. This lesson explores various techniques for effective prompt tuning, offering actionable insights, practical tools, frameworks, and step-by-step applications that professionals can implement directly to enhance their proficiency in this area. Prompt tuning begins with a deep understanding of the problem space and the specific tasks that need to be addressed. A clear definition of the task ensures the prompt is aligned with the desired outcome. For example, when designing a prompt for a model tasked with summarizing texts, the initial step is to identify key elements of the text that need to be included in the summary. By clearly outlining the task, practitioners can develop prompts that accurately capture the essence of the input data. One of the fundamental techniques in effective prompt tuning is the use of iterative refinement. This involves creating an initial prompt, evaluating the model's output, and then refining the prompt based on the evaluation results. This cycle continues until the output meets the desired criteria. An essential tool for this process is human-in-the-loop interaction, where human feedback is integrated into the model's learning process. Research by Chilton et al. Highlights the effectiveness of high-tech systems in refining model outputs, showing that iterative human feedback can significantly improve model performance. Moreover, leveraging prompt templates can be a powerful strategy. These templates serve as a framework that guides the construction of prompts by providing a structured format that can be filled with specific content. For instance, a template for generating customer service responses might include placeholders for greeting, main response, and closing. By using such templates, prompt engineers can ensure consistency and completeness in the information conveyed. Studies have shown that structured prompts lead to more coherent and contextually relevant outputs. Another practical approach is the utilization of prompt libraries. These libraries contain a collection of pre-designed prompts tailored for various tasks and domains. By accessing these libraries, prompt engineers can quickly find prompts that have been proven effective in similar contexts, saving time and effort in prompt development. For instance, OpenAI's GPT-3 model offers an extensive library of prompts that users can adapt and customize for their specific needs. This not only accelerates the development process, but also provides a benchmark for evaluating new prompts. Furthermore, deploying prompt optimization techniques, such as prompt engineering frameworks, can enhance the effectiveness of prompts. One such framework is the Prompt Engineering for Language Models framework, which outlines a systematic approach to prompt construction and evaluation. PELM emphasizes the importance of context, specificity, and clarity in prompt design, offering a step-by-step guide for optimizing prompts. By following this framework, professionals can develop prompts that are tailored to the nuances of the task and model, improving overall performance. In addition to these strategies, incorporating statistical analysis into prompt tuning can provide quantitative insights into prompt effectiveness. By analyzing metrics such as response accuracy, coherence, and diversity, prompt engineers can objectively assess the impact of different prompts and make data-driven decisions. A study conducted by Jiang et al. Demonstrated the value of statistical analysis in prompt tuning, showing that models with statistically optimized prompts achieved higher performance on language understanding tasks. Addressing real-world challenges in prompt tuning also requires considering ethical and bias-related issues. Language models can inadvertently perpetuate biases present in their training data, which can be exacerbated by poorly designed prompts. Effective prompt tuning involves actively identifying and mitigating these biases through careful prompt construction and evaluation. For example, using diverse datasets and inclusive language in prompts can help counteract biases and ensure fair and unbiased model outputs. Case studies further illustrate the effectiveness of these techniques in real-world applications. In a project involving the development of a virtual assistant for healthcare professionals, iterative prompt tuning was employed to refine the assistant's responses to medical inquiries. By using human feedback and prompt templates, the development team was able to enhance the accuracy and relevance of the assistant's outputs, ultimately improving the user experience for healthcare providers. This case study underscores the importance of combining multiple techniques to achieve optimal results. In conclusion, effective prompt tuning is a multifaceted process that requires a combination of iterative refinement, structured templates, prompt libraries, optimization frameworks, statistical analysis, and ethical considerations. By leveraging these techniques, professionals can develop prompts that significantly enhance the performance of language models, addressing real-world challenges and ensuring the delivery of accurate and relevant outputs. As the field of prompt engineering continues to evolve, staying informed about the latest tools and strategies will be crucial for professionals seeking to excel in this area.